This is a Heathkit DX60B, and this rig was originally developed in the late 60s, early 70s, and it operates about 50 watts output, 90 watts input on CW. We'll put it in the tune position, and we'll see. We've got probably a little bit too much there. We'll tune this, and there we go. It's about 2 mils of grid current. We'll put it over in the play position and put it into CW, and you can see the bulb light's pretty good. Let's dip the final, and we can raise this up a little more. And I don't want to blow the bulb, but I'm going to kind of leave it right there. I'm going to put it in the AM position, and we're going to test it using a microphone. Whoops, that's hello, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And I'm going to take it off the scope. We'll take a look at it on the scope. And there we are on an oscilloscope. 1 2 3 4. Hello test. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Certainly looks like it modulates at 100%. So let me put it back on the tripod so everything's nice and steady. Okay, we'll try it up on 20 meters. We're just doubling the crystal frequency, so you can see that that's there. The crystal is around 70-30, so we'll still be in the band. And we'll put this in the tune position, grid, and in the tune position. Not much drive there, but let's tune it. There we go. And we'll bring that up a little bit. Okay. Put this over in the play position. Put the loading back to 0, and we'll dip the final. Okay, we'll bring it up a little bit more, and we'll bring it down, and wow, that bulb, I hope I don't blow the bulb. Okay, so that's on 20 meters. Try it on 15 meters. Drive tends to get less the higher you go, so let's see where we are. Let's tune that up. Wow, that's really high. Let's tune that down to 2.0. We'll turn that to 2.0. Okay, put this in, bring the loading down to 0, and we'll dip the final again if I can find where the dip is. There we are. And bring this up, and bring that down, and bring this up, and bring that down, and bring this up. Not getting as much. I don't think we're getting as much output up on 15, which is not unusual. I'm surprised we get. So a lot of times you don't get anything on 10. Okay, that's 15 meters. We'll go to 10 meters and put this in the grid position. And let's bring the drive level up. We'll tune it. Okay, we're about there. Okay, that's about where we should be. Okay, put this in the plate position. I'm going to bring this all the way down. Put that back in CW. And find the... Wow, we're pretty well tuned up right there. So, there's a match right... Whoop, I gotta stop bumping it. There we go. Okay. And there we are up on 10 meters. Okay. Now we'll go to 80 meters. And the crystal is around 3.5, I believe. We'll put this in the tune position. Wow, that's a lot. We don't need that much. Okay, probably could use a little more drive. There we are. So we're looking at the drive at around 2 mils. And we'll put this over there. And put that in the CW position. And dip the final. Hope I don't blow the bulb, because you tend to get more output. That's it. I'm not putting this up any further. I'm going to blow the bulb. So there's your demonstration of the DX60B. Not perfect, I'm sure. I'm guessing the controls inside could probably use a little spray cleaner. I did use a little spray cleaner on the meters meter switch because it was a little intermittent, and I think it might still be a little intermittent on the switch. But that's DX60B.